Hi, I am Rachel Kaur and today I'll let you know about 6 ways to make people remember you forever. Okay, let's begin. If you think I speak too fast, feel free to pause the video anytime to take notes. 1. Having confident body language. Nothing will make you stand out more than having a confident body language. Body language includes handshake, hug, positive energy, good posture, strong eye contact, and smile. Body language also helps interpret other people's mood and emotions. 2. Genuine compliments make people remember you. Everyone likes a compliment. Don't make people uncomfortable with your words. Make genuine compliments, because people like compliments and rewards and always remember them. 3. Use their name. It is so important to use someone's name. When interacting with them, it is, after all, their most significant connection to their identity. It is the easiest way to get someone's attention. Every time you use someone's name, they feel important. They feel like they have a little more connection to you. 4. It should not always be about you. Some people have the habit of speaking all about them and force others to listen to them. Nobody will remember you. When people talk to you about their problems, pay attention to what they are talking about and listen to them patiently, never ignore them. 5. Be an engaged listener. Don't just hear. Listen. People don't always remember what you say, or even what you do, but always remember how you make them feel. The first step in making someone feel special is to truly listen to them. 6. Be kind and compassionate. Compassion and kindness are important in human life. It is also about showing care and being nice with others. If you add a unique piece to their puzzle of life, if you are able to influence their life in a way small or big, people will surely remember you. Well, that was all. 6 simple but efficient tips to make others remember you and make new friends. Did you like this video? Click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.